call you out the blue, cause she don't send news. I wanna see your body again. And I'm so selfish, I cannot deny it. That's why I don't trust none of your friends. Turn your location on just for safety reasons. I'ma start calling your friends. I'm too insecure, I'm not crazy. I be telling her to change her pants. No NDA, then she probably gon' tell. Touch a private at a private hotel. We can fuck, but I'ma leave with bro number. Respectfully, baby, that's how I'm programmed. Like pretty feet, so I kiss on the toenail. Cool with the owner, they open the stove still. Cover the door when you smoke in a hotel. You fuck with a trapper, you know how dope smell. I don't usually be bothered.